You won't believe how WealthSpring app has transformed in 2026. Most people think wealth apps are just for investing, but WealthSpring focuses on helping anyone improve financial habits and reach goals faster. The app integrates budgeting, goal tracking, and spending analysis. After connecting your accounts, it provides clear insights on income, recurring expenses, and discretionary spending. The surprising truth is that understanding where your money goes is often the first step to meaningful financial growth. A standout feature is the goal management system. You can set multiple goals: emergency fund, vacation, debt repayment, and the app automatically tracks progress and suggests how much to save weekly. Most people get discouraged with long-term goals because they feel abstract, but WealthSpring breaks them into actionable steps. The app also offers reminders, weekly summaries, and motivational visuals to keep you engaged. Security is strong with encryption and two-factor authentication to protect your data. While WealthSpring doesn't hold funds directly, it syncs with existing accounts to provide accurate tracking. Limitations include the lack of direct banking services or investment options. If you want to execute transactions or trade stocks, you'll need another platform, but for monitoring, planning, and creating consistent savings habits, it excels. So, is WealthSpring app still worth it in 2026? Absolutely, for beginners and anyone looking to take control of finances without being overwhelmed. It's practical, motivating, and easy to integrate into daily life. Subscribe for more honest reviews of apps that actually help you grow your money.